winter solstice, the day the sun stands still. It's the shortest day, the longest night, and officially the first day of winter. So during this experience, we will do some quick fill-in-the-blank prompts, a small amount of gentle movement, then build a blanket nest from which you'll experience a 30-minute yoga nidra, non-sleep, deep rest meditation. You'll want to have some props close by for your support as we go. I highly recommend topping off your setup here with an eye pillow that just helps your eyes stay closed. It feels really nice on your face, a little bit of pressure. For the sake of this trailer, here's a little random sampling of what this yoga nidra practice is going to be like. My mind is awake, my body is restful. Imagine before you a screen, the screen of the mind. See if you become aware of any phenomena that arise, images, colors, patterns, light, dark. Sitting back and watching the manifesting state of your mind. You're all bundled up warm as you enter the snowy woods. Luminaries light your path as the sun sets early on this winter solstice evening. And you just know that you've stumbled onto a sacred place in time. Are you ready for a deep winter's rest?